Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the possessive pronoun. Okay, it's one more kind of a pronoun, possessive pronoun. So, what is the meaning of possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun means the pronoun that shows the ownership, belongingness. Okay, means something belongs to somebody. Okay, so basically it shows the possession of something or the ownership of something, that this thing belongs to him, her, mine, like this. Okay, so these are the possessive pronouns like mine, his, their, ours, yours, hers. All these are the possessive pronouns. Here you can see the examples also. The blue bike is his, the red bike is yours. You can see here the blue bike belongs to him. So what's going to be the possessive pronoun form? The blue bike is his. Okay, this blue bike belongs to him. So belongs to him means that is the blue bike is his. The red bike belongs to you. The red bike is yours. The book belongs to me. The book is mine. So all these are the possessive pronoun. You can see here that these words, they are showing the possession, isn't ownership. These words are showing. So this is called as a possessive pronoun. See here, some more examples are given. The laptop is his, the house is ours, the hotel is theirs, isn't? So all these are the possessive pronoun. Here you can see in the possessive pronoun also, in the singular which pronouns we use here, and in the plurals which pronouns we use here. In the singular, first person we use mine, plural ours. Second person, singular your, plural yours. Third person, his, her, and the plural theirs. Okay, and the pronoun it does not have any possessive form. At the place of it we use always, that is a its. Okay, means whenever you have to use it as in the form of a possessive pronoun, so you have to use its. Okay, because it does not have any possessive form. So now come to this page number. You can see here also, that is on page number 31. Page number 31, exercise A. Okay, here you have to fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronouns. So here you have to fill in the blanks by using the possessive pronouns. These toys belongs to her. These toys are hers. Okay, these cows belongs to us. These cows are ours. Us will change into ours. Okay, this house belongs to him. This house is his. Then you can see here, that is these things belongs to you. These things are yours. This thing belongs to you means what? The things are yours. Okay, so all these are the possessive pronouns. The horse belongs to them. The horse is them, theirs. Okay, so like this you have to fill in these blanks. Now one more question is there, that is on the page number 27. Here this exercise we have completed yesterday, SN, and the exercise B. In exercise B, what you have to do, here you have to underline the pronouns in these sentences, then write P for personal, PO for the possessive pronoun, and D for the demonstrative. Okay, so you, in this question you have to identify the kind of pronoun, that whether it's a personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, or the demonstrative pronoun. So see here, those are the students, those are student volunteers. So what is the pronoun here? That is those. And I told you yesterday that when we point out something, when we demonstrate something, we use the words like this, that, these, those, isn't? So those, which kind of pronoun it is? Those. This is a demonstrative pronoun. So you have to write down here D. Okay, the rains had cleaned his car and mine. The rain has cleaned his car and mine. So his and mine, both are the possessive pronoun. Okay, PO, you have to write here PO. you have to first of all underline this pronoun and then write their names. I forgot to pack my blanket. I forgot to pack my blanket. Here I is your, that is a personal pronoun, as in personal pronoun, first person, I. So you have to write here P for personal pronoun, and my blanket, that is for the possessive pronoun. So PO, possessive. So P comma PO, like this. Manoj said it was yours. Manoj said it was yours. Here it is written it. It is also a pronoun, and yours, this is also a pronoun. But it, this is your personal pronoun, as an personal pronoun, third person. Yours, this is your possessive pronoun. So what you have to do, you have to write here P comma PO. Okay, this is for personal, that is for it, and PO for the possessive. Pooja gave it away. Again, it is the pronoun. This is a personal pronoun, as in third person personal pronoun. So you have to write here P. Sarita stayed with them. Them, this is also a personal pronoun. You have to write here P. They bought a new computer. They bought a new computer means, again, this is about the third person. So they, this is also a personal pronoun. So you have to write here P. That must be Suraj. That is the pronoun, and this is your demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so in the pronoun chapter, page number 27, can see here page number 27, both the exercises we have completed. Please complete in your book also. Then on page number 20, page number 31, exercise A also we have completed, because this you have to complete by using the possessive pronouns. Okay, so kindly complete these exercises in your book. Thank you.